Hello there, I am Safari, and welcome back to more Papa's Pancakeria. Last time we did some things and we're out of Halloween, and now we're gonna go shopping. Ah, dang, doggo woggos are barking down there. Like, I don't even know, man. Whatever, No, I'm gonna forget every single time. I always do this. Okay, we're gonna go to the theme of Thanksgiving. I guess 3 corn. Alright, and now we gotta get, I guess I could have orange goose. Yeah, why not? And that guy, and now the clothes. Okay. I want that hat. And that thing. And that. Also want that turkey. Okay, now I want some pants. Yeah. And that one. Okay, and then I like those shoes. Let's get those shoes too. And I want some kind of accessory because I've been feeling the accessories. Not really anything I'm seeing that looks cool, so I'm just gonna get this bag. And that glove. Okay, let's see what I got. You know what? I'm gonna also buy this. And you know what? I'm gonna buy that one and that one. There, now I have all the autumn stuff. Okay, let's change up our costume. And that one. And then that one. And then this guy. And that one. Alright, I already look like a loser. Cool. Okay, I also got that. And these. Okay, I look very dumb. But it's not gonna be as dumb as you. Okay. You don't get the bag. You get those shoes. You get that one because why not? And that one? No, I'm wearing that one. That means you wear that one. And that guy, and you wear the turkey. Okay, and now I gotta change up this. Bam! 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 Oh, I did it! And, yeah, that one, and now wallpaper. Ba-bam! And done! Perfect! Look at that! It's beautiful! Let's start! Thanksgiving. Selena! Okay. Pecan mix. Alright. Pecan palettes. Huh? Whatever. Get inside so I can give you thingamabobbers. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, I got it, Selena. Could be it though, I guess, if I think about it. No. I'm still not sure if it is actually named. Houdini, I can't even do your order until like the next Tuesday. So leave me alone. Alright. Let's finish this up. We can then do the order stuff. What am I trying to say? I can't remember these things. Whatever, it's not even that. Alright, come on. Come on, speedy up. And done. Alright, now I get to build number 1. Of course, somebody comes in. And what do you want? Pitch it well? Okay, I got that, I guess. Alrighty. 3. And one of these. Yes, that looks good. Oh, that's what. Done. Okay, number 1 is now done, which is pretty gamer. You gonna finish for me, or am I gonna have to finish for you? Okay. Number 1, there you go, Selena. Alright, give me that money that I definitely need. Come on, finish up. Hi. Okay, Muse. You got it. Why are you always doing this to me, Muse? Weirdo. Well, I never see his eyes. Maybe he's actually a vampire. Think about it. I don't know. Where's that dumb hat? Which means vampires. I don't know. Vampires wear dumb hats all the time. Trust me, I know this. Okay, and then that one and that one. Perfect! Oh, hang on. God, I'm gonna sneeze everywhere. Alright. There you go, Food Beanie. I've never seen your eyes either. You have an even dumber hat. I can discover a conspiracy. That'd be crazy. Crazy conspiracy. But I don't really care about. Ow! 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 Okay, that hurt. That's what I get for doing that, I guess. Okay, that's it. If you're wondering why I did that, slept on all of my leg holes last night. That's fun. Now they're just like, nah, I don't want to be a leg hole today. Alright, whatever though. Can you leave? Can you leave? I don't want to talk to you anymore. Thank you. Alright, Captain Corgi, what do you want? That. Okay, I can mix that. No, not that. Alright, now number 4. Where is the whippy cream? On top of it? Yes, that's how poggers are made. And then, oh. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. No, I guess you can't do it. Fine. Back to this. Chocolate chips on top. Oh, hang on. Boop, and hi, it's you, Hank. I honestly forgot that it was gonna be you. Okay. Thanks, Hank. You can. Ah, no, I don't wanna leave. I keep hitting that. I keep doing that. I gotta stop that. Alright, where was I? Oh yeah, number 4. Back to number 4 where I was at before I was really interrupted by Hank. Okay, like that, and wait for it. Done. Yes. Okay, then I can do that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Then coffee. Oh, Number 4, there you go, Muse. Now leave. Thanks for leaving. Alright, now I can do the fudge ripple. Then it's whipped cream, then it's you. Got it. Alright, here's my whipped cream. Whipped cream. Want it? Perfect. Yes, that looks good. No. Knew you actually boop. Done. Alright, now the chocolate chips on top. Yes. That looks pretty good. good. Ow, my hole's itchy. Which is definitely weird. Alright, and then I could do this, which is pretty good. And then I can say with confidence that number 5 is officially done. So there we go. Number 5. Mo. Home and 2 tickets. Okay, now I need to do another one. Another fudge ripple. Ba-doop. Okay, where is... Yes, you. I was looking for you for all my life. Whippy cream. And then the chocolate tips on top. God, everything is itchy today. Ah! I'm so itch. I don't even know how itch I am. I'm just so itchy. I'll fix this later. But that's for me to do later. Alright, whatever. Number 6 is done. Captain Corky. Okay, there we go. And now I can do number 7. There it is. I did that thing again, which I hiccuped and it didn't come out of anything. Which was kind of strange. I didn't like it. But whatever. And queen. Ba-doop. Done. There you go, Hank. How many points? Alright, and now I gotta see what my score is today. It's probably gonna be garbage. Alright, what's my score today, gamers? Okay, it's Pecan Fan. Rico's Chili Works. Yes, I would like to play this one. Alright, and now we gotta do this. Okay, we gotta do that one, and then yeah, like that. Like this, because this guy goes like there. That guy goes there, and then this guy like that. Bam! Done! Alrighty. Whew, that was a hard one. One more. I can do it. I can do it. Okay. And then we're gonna do that. I guess like that, and then, oh god, I don't know. Maybe this? Yeah, that looks okay, I guess. And then kind of combine them into one, so I can do that, and then, yeah, that's it. I did it, I did it, I did it. I am the best. I got a fence. It's a log fence. I am the greatest Poggo maniac in the entire world. Alright, let's go into the next one. Tim! With 2 M's. That doesn't even make any sense. Pumpkin Pie Dwizzle. Okay. Whatever. Alright, come on in, Timmer. Ba-doop. Pumpkin pie. Well, okay. You got it, Tim. You have 2 M's. It doesn't even make any sense. Oh, whatever. I don't care. Yellow Wowie! Back again for another round of Wowieing. Okay, I can do yours. Ah, no, I don't want to leave. Okay, it's still okay. I think. I don't know. Am I okay? I think I'm okay. Let's say I'm okay and leave it at that. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's just finish this so I don't have to deal with it. Ba-doop and ba-doop. Alright, number 1 is first, so let's do it. Oh god, I'm gonna sneeze again. Ah! Oh my god, she She has a ticket. I gotta do hers. Okay. Okay, I got that. Pretty simple. Alright, it's actually kind of simple, so I don't have to worry about it. Alright, back to number 1, where I was being weird and saying number 1. Like this. Yeah, that looks pretty good. No, you're gonna finish. Knew it. Okay, that's number 1. And then the cocoa. Finish so I don't have to do it. Okay, number 1. There you go. Tim. Is that how it's spelled? I don't know. And we got another friend. Yuri. Okay, that's a lot of pancake, but I can deal with pancake. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, that's ready. 1, 2. Ah, I forgot the blueberries. I always forget about the blueberries on his pancake that he wants. Blueberries on the bottom and the top. Whatever, I don't care that much about Wally. I don't care about him. I don't care about him that much. Because he doesn't have a golden thingamabob, and I don't have the thingamabob to get the thingamabob of ultimateness. So there you go, Wally. How many points? And now I got to do... Oh my god, who the fudge is it? It's Captain Corgi. What do you want? A fudge ripple, of course. Okay, and now I'm gonna put that in. You. Okay, and now we're gonna do number 3. Okay, where is the pumpkin? Where is the pumpkin pie? Okay, put the pumpkin pie on, and then put whipped cream on, and then put more pumpkin pie on. That's how pumpkins work, right? Pumpkin pie sucks, by the way. That's a fact. Thank you. Alright, and then number 3. Give me the thingamabob of ultimate thingamabobbers. The bimbleberry. What's the heck? Alright. Clover. And wait for it. Done. And done. And now I get to do number 4. And where is it? 1, 2, 3. And 4. Coffee with creamy on the side, which is actually ice now because I thought. You guys gonna finish so I don't have to deal with you? Yellow amulet. Okay, I can do this. Probably, maybe, possibly. And there we go. Okay, now I can do number 4. There you go, Yuri. I don't know. But you guys gonna finish? Thank you for finishing. And pa-dunk. And then put whipped cream on top. There we go. And then I can put the cookie creamy, I don't even know anymore. I lost contact with my brain hole 5 minutes ago after that. Whatever. I don't need my brain hole to do crap anymore, I'm pretty sure. making sure it doesn't rain while I'm making this crap. Dang, I knew it was gonna rain when I was making the crap. Okay, there we go. Number 5. Done. Yay, I did it. I got a silver medal. Oh, man. Okay. And then I can make another one. And then I can do this. Which looks pretty good. Yep. And then I can do the cookie bits again. Yep. Do that in there. Sure. Okay, done. And then I put another one on, and then put that on, and then I'm done. I guess that's how it works. Probably, maybe, possibly. I don't know. And then coffee with the cocoa powder inside, and done. Done. I want to be done. And we're done. Silver Star customer. Want me to bust 2 more tickets? Oh, that's better. There we go. There we go. And then another one on top. And then the butter. And then another one. And then the blueberry sauce all over it. Large decaf with the icy boys. Okay, done. Number 7. There you go. Okay, there we go. Poggers. Alright, what's my score today, game? It's okay. I still have like a bajillion money. Alright, what's the game today? Fast shave, okay, dumb baseball hat, dumb baseball shirt, dumb baseball pants, and dumb baseball shoes. Pants, shoes, shirt, hat. What? That was right, game. What the fuck was I missing there? I don't know. I'm gonna watch that back, and I'm gonna be angry at myself. But that's until next time. So until next time on Papa's Pancakeria, we'll be doing the bumbleberry. So until then,